Hey YouTube creators, are you tired of brainstorming video ideas that just don't hit the mark? Today, I'm going to show you how to find killer trending topics using YouTube Studio that will boost your views and grow your channel. Let's dive in. Struggling to come up with video ideas that will skyrocket your channel? Discover the secret to finding killer trending topics right in YouTube Studio. Just watch the video step by step and thank me later. Hey TikTokers, welcome back to the channel. If you're ready to elevate your TikTok game and discover what makes your videos pop, you're in the right place. As you can see, YouTube is giving you top searches of that topic. In your niche off cause, all you need to do is to find the topic that has high search volume, and there you have it. You can also do further research and see if there's so many topics that have high search volume and start working on your next video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on growing your YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Got any questions or video ideas? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.